Thanks so much for checking out this quick video. I want to give you a quick bonus lesson that builds on what I covered in the webinar. This is one of our most powerful strategies inside the scholarship system, and it is called our Google Keyword Method. Now, why is this so important? Because the number one reason most parents and students give up on scholarships isn't that they're lazy or unmotivated. It's because they are overwhelmed. They spend hours searching only to come up empty-handed, feeling like there's nothing that their student can qualify for. And that is incredibly frustrating. But this method changes that. It simplifies the search process and helps you and your student go straight to the scholarships that they are actually eligible for, cutting out wasted time, stress, and those dead ends. So inside our course, families constantly tell me how much time and frustration this single strategy has saved them. So let me give you just a deeper dive into how it works. So instead of typing generic terms like scholarships for juniors or scholarships for seniors or for graphic majors, we want to cut through the irrelevant results and spammy websites. And we teach families how to go directly to the sources of the scholarships, often the companies or organizations that actually care about your student and the exact thing that your student's interested in. For example, one of our students was passionate about animation. And so together we brainstormed, well, what companies are involved in animation? And so we came up with Sony. So we searched Sony scholarships and landed on their website and discovered 3 that this student qualified for. So he never even had to touch one of those giant search engine websites like FastWeb in order to find ones that were legitimate and therefore actually probably less competitive as well. Now, another student loved horses. And so we actually searched scholarships for horse lovers, and boom, multiple legitimate options came up on an actual website related to riding horses and tailored to her interests. I believe it was 6 actually. Now, I don't expect you and your student to think of all of these ideas on the top of your head. And that's why inside the scholarship system, we give you a plug and play worksheet that you and your student can go through to come up with dozens of ideas to use with our Google search method. It's simple, it's strategic, and it works. Don't underestimate the power of this strategy. Now, most importantly, it helps you and your students skip through all of the junk that's out there and connect with legitimate scholarships faster and more efficiently so that we can actually spend our focus on the quality of applications rather than just finding them, which the application itself is obviously the most important part. So I go deeper into this strategy and others like it in the full program. I've got videos actually where you can watch me do real life searching for students inside the program so that you can get even more ideas and just see how I am avoiding those big search engines and going directly to the sources. So if you are considering joining us, now's the time. You have a 7-day trial where you can test out the full program minus the bonuses. We do save those for post-trial because they are too valuable to give up, but you can join for just $1. There's no risk. And if you decide it's not the right fit, email us, info@thescholarshipsystem.com prior to the trial finishing, and we will cancel the future charges before they happen. That is it. No hoops to jump through, no questions asked. Now, I truly hope to see you, your family, your student inside the scholarship system and our community, where we will take this and so much more to the next level and help your family secure that debt-free degree that you are hoping your student can receive. I hope to see you on the inside.